Hello friend, welcome to video lecture on insertion sort. In insertion sort, we are given with a set of elements and we need to arrange all these elements either in ascending order or in descending order. This searching technique is just like placing playing card in your hand. Now you can see these pictures that we are inserting 7 at its correct positions. Okay, so here we do first select an elements and we compare it with all other sorted elements and place it in the appropriate position so that it maintain the order. So here we first select and then we compare. Suppose we are arranging in ascending order. Okay, so if we are selecting element is a, let's say, element, if less than its previous, then we need to select the previous elements to its next positions. We continue this process until we find a place where an element is less than the selected elements, or we may reach at the index position 0. Now let's have an example to illustrate insertion sort. So in insertion sort, first element is already sorted, so we need to sort from second element onward. When we want to sort nth elements, all the previous elements 0 to n minus 1 elements are already sorted. For example, if we are given with a list that contains elements 4, 8, 9, 6 to 5, so these elements are placed in an array. So in first round, since 4 is already sorted, so we need to choose from elements, second elements. So in first round we are selecting element 8. Okay, and again in iteration 1 we are comparing 8 with 4. You know 8 is greater than 4, so insert 8 at that position, that positions. Okay, in second round we need to select. Now see, we are I have shown all other elements that are we are not using in other colors, so that you need not have to bother about this. Okay, in second round we are selecting 9 and then we are comparing it with 8. Since 9 is greater than 8, so we insert 9 at appropriate positions. Now in so first of all we compare 6 with 9, so 6 is less than 9, so at these positions we shift 9 to next positions. Okay, again we are comparing in iteration 2 6 with 8. Since 6 is less than 8, so we need to shift 8 at the next positions. Again in iteration 3 we are comparing 6 with 4. Since 6 is greater than 4, so we need to insert 6 at that positions. Okay, in round 4 we are selecting 2, then we are comparing 2 with 9. Since 2 is less than 9, so we shift 9. Okay, and then iteration 2 we are comparing 2 with 8. Since 2 is less than 8, we shift 8. In iteration 3 we are comparing 2 with 6. Since 2 is less than 6, so we shift 6. And iteration 4 we compare 2 with 4. Since 2 is less than 4, so we shift 4. And iteration 5, since there is no elements, we are at the 0 index positions, so we insert 2 at the appropriate positions at index position 0. Now in round 5 we are selecting 5. We are comparing 5 with 9. Since 5 is less than 9, we shift 9. Then we are comparing 5 with 8. Since 5 is less than 8, we are shifting 8. Okay, then we're comparing 5 with 6. Since 5 is less than 6, we're shifting 6. Now we're comparing 5 with 4, and 5 is greater than 4, so we insert 5 at the appropriate position, that is index 2. So our result is 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. Now let's go for the algorithm, selection sort algorithms. So here we are given with an array having L elements. So we need to sort all these elements using these algorithms. So here we are using for loops. So it starts from 1 to n minus 1 because we are ignoring the zeroth elements. Okay. Now we are assigning an array element to j elements. That means here we are selecting uh, the elements. Okay, and its position is noted. Okay, so while array j minus 1 is greater than elements and j is greater than 1, greater than equal to 1. So here we are assigning array j minus 1 to array j. That means here we are shifting, okay, and also we are decrementing j value, okay, and at the end we are inserting element at the appropriate positions. So here we are ending in the for loops. So this is the algorithm that is used to sort elements using insertion. So sorry, this sorting technique is insertion. Now let's program it uh, in C to see is correct. So this is our program. So this program is already I have written. Uh, so here I have taken ij and element as variables. So in for loop I am starting from 1 and I am going to the elements n minus 1. So in first cases I am selecting the elements, okay, and its position is noted. In while loop we are comparing elements with previous elements. So if it is less than if that element is greater than elements, and if j value greater than 1, then we are shifting and we are also decrementing j value, and at the end we are inserting element at the appropriate positions. Now let's run it to see how this program works. So I'm compiling this program. So it is compiled, no error. I am running this program. So first of all I have to create a list. So I'll press here 1, enter the number of elements. Here I am entering the number of elements, 8. So I need to give 8 elements. Okay, that's a 2, 6, 8, 1, 56, 56, 34, 99, and say minus 23. So now we need so we have given 8 elements. Okay, let's check our elements list by pressing 5. So we are given with 2, 6, 8, 1, 5, 56, 34, 99, and 23. Okay, now we need to sort it using insertion sort. So I will press here 4. Okay, so array is already sorted. Let's check whether list is sorted off. So I will press here 5. So now see, so minus 25 done with our